Hello, my name is Anna Obreke, and this is my introductory presentation for my Management 283 course with Professor McClear for my Pierce College online course at JBLM. I am a mother of two beautiful children, Joel, whose age is 7, Alan, whose age is now 5, married to a wonderful husband for over 10 years. And together we have been able to serve our community in various ways by being supportive in the local Hispanic churches through music ministry, also through the youth outreaches and various ministries within the church. And we've done this at a district-wide and even at a statewide way, and have done a lot of event planning, handled various major events, including concerts and outreach programs. And we've had a lot of fun doing that. Career-wise, I always dreamed of going back to school, and so I did last year. So this is I'm going on my second year, pursuing my associate's degree in business. And then later going forward, I would pursue a bachelor degree in the same pathway. We have decided that at this point in our lives, we are dedicating ourselves to us and to what we've dreamed of always doing. Again, my dream was always going back to school. My husband's dream was becoming a cop, and his first step to doing that was getting into the military and serving our country. So we are now a proud military family. I'm a proud military wife. Army is our branch, and we are serving here in JBLM. My husband is a combat medic. And because of these changes, I was currently helping out at a local high school as a paraeducator for the EL program for the EL students at the school, and did that for almost 2 years, and have now decided that because of the changes that our family is going through military-wise and just pursuing our dreams career-wise, I have decided to start my small business. And also because real estate right now is flourishing, it's booming. We do home signings, and I'm a loan signing agent. I've been a notary for going on my 3rd commission now. And so we have decided that we're going to start this. We are training a couple people really excited about, and we are going to build this company, going directly to the escrow offices, and we've already gained their business. So we're just going to start doing what we know best to do, and I'm going to start doing payroll and doing what a real businesswoman does. So this is something that I'm very excited about, passionate about, fulfilling our personal dreams and being that example for our children, because one day they will have only 3 options. Option number 1 will be to serve our country in a branch of the military. Option number 2 will be to go to college and pursue a career and get educated. Option number 3 will be to graduate from high school and already have an entrepreneurship mentality. So they have to be small business owners by the time that they graduate. So we have really high expectations for our children, and that's what we're trying to make sure that we have high expectations for ourselves, and pursuing those high expectations while we're still young, so that we can be those great examples for our children and our next generations. So that's a little bit about me. Things that I like to do on my spare time is, spend time with my children. I like to do anything that has to do with the outdoors except running, but because Thanksgiving is around the corner, I think I may have to start picking up running as well, so that I can eat whatever I want and I can just exercise it out. And I like to sing. We're very musical oriented, and I like to be part of my community some way, somehow, by volunteering my time and seeing how I can encourage others with the gifts and talents that I have. The main gift and talent that I do have, and I know is a strong suit any place I go, is being people oriented, and that has gotten me very many places, and I know it's going to get me a lot of more places in the future. So again, that's a little bit about who I am, and thank you for watching this presentation.